everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today's vlog is going to be very special because we are traveling to a fun destination which I will tell you in some time where we are heading. But it is going to be a family road trip. It's a 5-hour journey from London and we are very excited. And the most important bit is the property, which is in the middle of nowhere. It's a timberland property. Obviously I'll give you a tour, so stay tuned till the end of the vlog. And yeah, very excited. And we have packed our food. मम्मी पापा आए हुए हैं तो घर का खाना सब कुछ हमने पैक कर लिया. बहुत मज़े आने वाले हैं. और without wasting any time, let's go. By the way, this is my look. And look at the makeup. The makeup is makeuping today. Okay, see you in a bit. All set for the trip. Hello guys. Hello.
Hello.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Where are you going?
We are going holiday home.
Yay!
Celebrate whose birthday?
Mama birthday!
Hey.
Woohoo! Very excited! And this bridge basically is the border between England and Wales. And yes, we are going to Wales. Finally, after a drive of 2 hours 30 minutes, it's time for a break. It's time for cappuccino coffee. We have come to a services and we'll have nice little break. और अभी 2 hours 30 minutes का रह गया है. हाफ से ज़्यादा हमने कवर कर लिया है. एंड दिस इज़ द ड्राइव थ्रू. स्पेसिफिकली यही वाला मैं सोच रही थी कि ये देख कॉर्निश पेस्ट्री भी है यहाँ पे. कॉर्निश पेस्ट्री, कोस्टा कॉफ़ी. ये फलाफल सैलेड है और ये कॉफ़ी है और ये कॉर्निश पेस्ट्री है. ऐसे हिमांशु के साथ चिप्स लेने गया. मज़े आ गए खाना खा के. मज़े आ गए खाना खा के. ज़्यादा खा लिए. अब हमने ब्रेक ख़त्म कर दिया. अब हम फिर से लॉन्ग ड्राइव पे जा रहे हैं. अब सोएंगे सारे, है ना?
हो जाएंगे गाड़ी के अंदर. नींद आएगी ऑटोमेटिक. पेट भरा हुआ है.
ये तो मेरे वीलॉग में आएगा.
Welcome Fatehabad.
This is the outdoor area of this services, and now we will click a family picture. He's so cute. Oh. What's his name?
Milo.
Milo. Bye bye. खाना वाना खा के अब हम जा रहे हैं बची हुई ड्राइव करने. बहुत प्यारा वेदर है. फुल सनी वेदर है. बहुत मज़े आ रहे हैं, है ना मम्मा?
बहुत.
फुल मज़े. कम फास्ट गाइस. अब प्यारा वेदर है यार. अगस्त के हिसाब से बहुत ही अच्छा वेदर है. This is so precious, guys. This is something very, very close to my heart. This clip is everything. Asha spending time with Nanu and Nani is so, I'm so grateful. And here we are vibing on the Karan Aujla songs throughout the road trip, and it's so awesome. We have finally reached the closest town to our stay. We are basically in Pembrokeshire region of Wales. It's west of Wales. I'll put more details in my description box. But this town is the nearest town and it is so beautiful. The houses here are looking very posh and newly built. As you can see, and they are very, very spacious, like bungalows, very beautiful. We have reached the destination and this is our cottage. Guys, are you excited to see the cottage? कितनी प्यारी लग रही है ना जंगलों में, है मम्मा?
Yes.
नीचे ध्यान से जाना. ये सीढ़ियाँ हैं. Now let's quickly explore this property. I will put the link of this property in the description box for you to check out later for prices and availability. But now let's explore what's inside. The property itself is like glamping. Glamping basically is glamorous camping. So this is a equipped property, very luxurious. You can see the kitchen is fully equipped. Then we have nice 2 bedrooms and very equipped living room, dining area. The best part of this property is the cozy vibes it's giving, like very relaxing, like you have come to some retreat center where you can just unplug from the entire world and relax for next couple of days. You saying?
I'm saying what eat together.
Maybe you take one and I'll take one?
Yeah. Now you take one, Mama.
Yeah, I'll take in some time. Let me see what's around. Let me have a seat with you.
Yeah. What a lovely day today, Mama.
What a lovely day and what amazing wood, right?
Yeah. And I can see car down there.
Yeah,
Nice car down there.
and so calm.
Yeah, they all coming.
Very nice.
Yeah.
You tell me, what do you want to talk about today?
Talk about
Oh wait, no, we'll take the cookie later. We're going out to the reception to get some towels
why?
because we have to pay for the towels and get it, right?
Oh, it's a
Yeah. You like the flowers here?
Yeah.
So beautiful. I feel so calm and so nice here.
Yeah, and it's a lovely day today.
Yeah, it's very lovely.
And you?
You're here?
Yeah, I can down you.
Okay.
We are going for a walk now to Broadway, Broadhaven Beach.
stop now, stop please. Stop now, right now.
अच्छा
कोई बात नहीं जाने दो।
गिर ना जाने ढलान के स्पीड में पकड़
बहुत ही सुंदर वॉक है, बहुत मजा आ रहा है। और पापा और मैंने सेम स्वेटर पहनी है। पापा देखो, पापा ने बिल्कुल सेम स्वेटर पहनी है। ये देखो जैक विल्स की।
नीचे बेंच बुंच लगे हुए हैं।
हाँ हाँ एक प्लेग्राउंड है। Let's go guys.
Look who's winning. Okay. Yeah. Hi. Abhi.
I'm good.
Why do you want me to pick you up? Love you, Asher.
Yeah, coming fast.
Come on, Mommy. Oh, what's this? Welcome.
Nano is winner. जब वो रेड के पीस थे वो ऊपर बैठ के चाय पीते थे।
If you look up, there are birds all the way. Careful now with the steps. It's beautiful place to go. And scary also.
Hi, Daddy.
Little bit, you have to be careful. Beautiful walk led us to a amazing beach, and let me show you.
Where are my toys, Dad?
What?
Where are my toys, Dad?
Twice?
My toys, Dad. Dad, my toys are home now. Look, me. My toys. Go. Tato.
We are perfect time for sunset actually. Sorry.
This here is Broadhaven Beach, and Broadhaven is basically a very small village. You won't believe there were just 2 restaurants in this village, and it is so peaceful. You can see the view, and oh my god, the timing when we came here is just perfect. Such a perfect time. Sunset is happening over there, and we guys are sitting here and enjoying the sunset. And look at this. The company of parents and this view. I cannot be more grateful. My heart is so full right now. एक घंटे की बना
You want to go in one
Okay, let's run guys.
Come.
Who will win the race?
Come walk. Lovely. That's it for today's vlog, guys. I will continue this Wales series. Hopefully the next vlog will be uploaded very soon. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.
What?
Yeah. Oh. Asher, can you sing again for me?
ऐसे